Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt and this is episode 3 of my new pond build. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, that way you won't miss out on any future episodes. So we're starting to make some good progress with the build. We've got to the stage now where we're putting the rebar in and we're going to be concreting all the trench. Probably is going to be a bit of a grey video, so to break it up, I'm going to show you a couple of my koi, two or three of the koi. I need to get them out to give them a check over and to measure them. So yeah, I'll show you that. So the temperature's dropped quite a few degrees in the last week, so it's made it a lot more pleasurable to actually be doing the build. When we were having that heat of like 35-40 degrees, it was a nightmare. But yeah, it's a lot more nicer to be doing this at the moment. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to run the videos, show you what we've been up to. Please enjoy. Okay, so next job is to get the rebar in all the way around. I'm having two lengths of 8mm running side by side. I'll probably cut down a couple of concrete blocks just to use as chairs, I think they call them, to use as chairs to rest the rebar on. So I'm going to spread the rebar out first, make sure I've got enough, and then I'll start chopping some blocks up. Right, that's the rebar in. I had more than I thought I had, so I've got 3 across in some places, all the way around. Just need to tie it in now, and we'll tie it together, so obviously when I'm pouring the concrete it doesn't start moving about. So I'll get on with that now. Once that's done, and start mixing the concrete and filling this trench. Right then, so that's all the rebar tied in, just with some wire, basically just to stop it moving when I'm pouring the concrete. Just a couple of turns. Hello mate. Yeah, it's tied in pretty much all the way around. Okay, so on to the next bit, which is going to be a graft. Now it's dropping the concrete in. Bit of a boring job, but as I'm using a mixer, I've got no access for a concrete delivery, so I'll just do it all by hand in the mixer. So, yep, let's go. Okay, so start of a new day. Mixer out. 1 bag of ballast. I've got 2 more bags of ballast over there. And a ton load of cement. Oh, not a ton, but a lot of bags of cement up in the garage, so yeah, let's get cracking. I think I'm going to have to start in the far corner over there. It's the most difficult bit to get to. I'm going to have to bucket it over there. It'll be a bit of a mission, but can't get a wheelbarrow around there. So, get cracking, I'll be back with you. Right, we're at our 6 mix number 6. Making steady progress. Obviously, like I said, at the moment there's 10 buckets of cement up there to tip it in, so it's taking me a little bit longer. Once I've come down here over the slab and get to this side, I'll be able to just start banging it in with the wheelbarrow. But yeah, it's bloody hard work. but it'll be worth it. Right, so that's the bit done up the back. I've had to load up with buckets, as you can see here. That was my plan with the access for the 4-inch pipe work. So I think that's going to work. Now we can just move on to this bit, which will be a bit easier because I can go straight from the barrow into the trench. Okay, so this is where we are so far. 16 mixers in counting. Just onto the last little bit now of the pond. I'm going to have to bucket that in because access there again is a bit crap. That'll be the pond shuttering done. Then I'll just have the filterhouse shuttering. I'm probably going to run out of time and cement when it comes around to doing that, so I've got to be up mega early in the morning for work, so I might have to come back to that. But yeah, one last push for this little bit. Right, so 5 hours and 18.5 mixers full later, and I've got the footings done for the pond. Like I say, I've still got to do the filterhouse, but that'll be the next job. I also need to lock the dog in the house for the rest of the day, because when I did the footings for that wall over there, I left him out there and he decided to have a play in it. So yeah, if I don't watch him, he'll be straight out in it, and I'll have paw prints all the way around it. But yeah, glad that's done. That was a bit of an effort, but we're getting there. Okay, so I thought I'd show you a couple of videos of a couple of my fish to break up this video a bit. I needed to get them out anyway to give them a check over and a measure. So this is my 3-step kahaka. Not sure exactly how old. I think it's about 3 years old. Got this from a pond closure. But it's quite a nice fish. I'm not sure whether it's male or female. One thing that he has got, if you see that little mark on his head, seems to have healed now, but beginning of last year he must have knocked himself on something in the pond, possibly one of the clips on the retro bottom drain. I treated it with koi first aid kit for a couple of weeks, and acroflavin, and the infection went, but he seemed to not grow any skin over the mark where he was, where he was hit. But looking at him now, skin seems to have grown back. So let's try and get a measurement of him. Need to do this now. Let me put you down and I'll try and get a measurement of him. Is that lively one? Lively one. Come on, I'm trying to turn around again. Here's a lively one. I don't like handling the fish. Roughly 40 centimetres. Yeah, roughly 40 centimetres. Yeah, condition looks pretty good. So I'll get him back in the pond and show you another. Alright, this is my Shisui. Just measured him before I picked up the camera, and he's 40 centimetres as well. Now I know Israeli koi aren't everyone's cup of tea, but yeah, this one isn't Israeli. I was just blown away by the blue on him when I saw him. Again, he's about 3 years old. 26 cm when I got him. Got him from Shirley Aquatics. Yeah, 26 cm. I used to say he's 40 cm now. Yeah, I do like this fish. Beautiful blue on the back. Camera shy. Not sure whether he's male or female, to be honest, again. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so today is a new day. First job is to get this concreting finished. Probably an hour or two's work there. Once I've done that, start removing some of this shuttering and I can get the block work started. It's nice and cool today. Got rain forecast for tomorrow and the rest of the week, so I need to get as much done today as possible. So be back with you shortly. There's the back run done, even though I said it was cooler today. Once I've now started, sweating me balls off. But not much further to go. One last push on the concreting. Okay, so that's the concreting done. That was another 10 mixes for that end. So in total, was 28.5 mixes to do the pond and the filterhouse. Fish are just up having a feed at the moment. Okay, so next job, I can start removing the shuttering from up at the pond end, because that's set from last week. And then we can get started with the block work. Turn your back for 10 seconds. And he's gone for a walk, our beloved dog. Try and repair that now. Yeah, okay, so I literally turned my back for 5 minutes and turned back around and he was standing there in the concrete. But luckily I'd only just laid it, so I was able to patch it up, so no big problem. Anyway, that's it for this one. If you like the content, again, please consider subscribing. And until the next time, thanks for watching.